Wow, Kadir, your snowball is getting huge. Kadir's making the head. The arms are over there, Kadir. We don't need the arms yet. Keep rolling. I think it's too heavy now. Oh my God, Kadir, look at your snowball. Are you finished? Okay, that's the head. Good job, Kadir.